Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use potassium sorbate in food easy method. Measure a 0, 1% to 0, 2% solution by weight, dissolve in water, and add after cooking to cool mixtures. Stir gently to distribute evenly and avoid heating after addition. Label the final product with concentration and date. Store prepared foods refrigerated and monitor for spoilage. Start by weighing the powder on a digital scale and preparing a stock solution at the desired percentage. Heat water slightly to help dissolve crystals, then cool the solution before adding to food. Always use sanitized equipment and a clean container to avoid introducing microbes. Keep notes on amounts used so you can reproduce results and ensure consistent preservation across batches. Add the prepared solution to cooled foods to maintain preservative effectiveness and reduce breakdown. Incorporate slowly while stirring to ensure even distribution without altering texture. For acidic products, potassium sorbate works best, so check pH and adjust if necessary. Always perform a small test batch to confirm taste and preservation, and store treated foods under recommended conditions for best shelf life.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.